Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to clear Teams cache in Windows 10, so your app runs smoother and faster. Step 1. Open File Explorer. This is the main tool in Windows that lets you browse all the files and folders on your computer, and it's where we will access the Teams cache. Step 2. Click on This PC from the left-hand side. This gives you a full view of all your drives and folders, making it easier to find where Teams stores its data. Step 3. Go to your Windows C drive. The C drive is usually where Windows and most apps, including Teams, are installed, so this is the first place to look. Step 4. Click on Users and select your user profile. Each user account on Windows has its own settings and cache, so it's important to select your profile. Step 5. Click on the bar at the top with the path and type AppData at the end of it. The AppData folder is hidden by default and contains configuration files and cache data for your apps. Step 6. Click on Local. This folder stores data that is specific to your user account and not shared with other users. Step 7. Click on Packages. Here, Windows keeps all the files for apps installed from the Microsoft Store, including Teams. Step 8. Open MS Teams 8WEKYB3D8EWE. This is the folder specifically for Microsoft Teams, containing all its settings and cache files. Step 9. Click on Local Cache. This folder contains temporary files that Teams uses to run faster, but over time it can grow large and cause issues. Step 10. Click on Microsoft. This is the folder that organizes cache data by app developer, and Teams data is stored here. Step 11. Click on MS Teams. This folder holds the actual cache files for Teams, and this is what we need to clear to solve performance problems. Step 12. Delete all the files and folders inside. Don't worry, these are just temporary files, and deleting them will not harm your app, but it will clear the Teams cache and help it run smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more quick tips and tricks.